Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and I want you to stick around until the end where I share with you the secret to having success on your fitness journey. But first things first, abs are made in the kitchen and you can't out-train a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an accessible and effective way to strengthen and tone your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So while chair yoga isn't a magic weight loss potion, when paired with mindful eating and gentle movement, it's a recipe for success. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing at center, open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing in upright with your arms open wide, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg and your right arm open to the sky, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, open your arms wide, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left arm open to the sky, gently twisting from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and step your feet back to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Alternate extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, pressing down through your feet. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, cross your arms out in front of your chest. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Continue here or adding a knee raise. Inhale at center, exhale twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the secret to having success on your fitness journey, it's consistency, the ability to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone and feel healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.